I'm back again with another video, and today I will be doing another makeup tutorial. I'm going to go for a very colorful look today. I want to go for like a sunset paradise look. Okay, for the makeup look, I am going to start off with, of course, you know it, a vino cream. Okay, next going in with the Tatcha. I'm going to scrape some off and apply it to my face. This is my favorite primer. Like, yeah, it's pretty pricey, but like, it makes your skin look so nice. I never really believed in primers because the only primers I ever used before this one were the Benefit one and the one from drugstore, the baby skin I think it's called. And they don't really do much, so when I got this I was like, is it really worth the money? And it is, let me tell you. Okay, now I am just going to speed it up and blend it in. Next, I am going to go in with the NARS concealer in light 1. Then I will go in with, you know it, my favorite contour, the NYX Wonder Stick in light. Okay, next, same beauty blender, blend it out. Add powder! I don't know why I shouted that. I'm almost out, so I'm gonna need to tap it a few times. Ew, that was nasty. Blend under my eyes, okay. Oh my god, I'm not in frame. Okay, I think I am now. Okay, now I do my eyebrows. Taking my dip brow in Ebony, I will just, let me find my brush first since that takes a while to get out. Dip it in and try not to get too much because I have a problem with that and then you look like Sharpie brows. I think brows are probably the hardest thing for most people. Oh my god, it's all over my shirt. Stupid powder. Stop falling. Making me look like a coke addict. probably the best brow I've done in a while. Now let's hope that we don't mess up the other one. Okay, now I will be taking, after I put that away. Okay, next I think blend out the powder. Taking this bad boy, I will put it all over my face in the areas that don't really touch with the loose setting powder. Okay, now I'm going to blend out my eyelids because as you can see, they need it. And then after that, I'm gonna put the same powder, the Fenty Beauty powder, on my eyelids. Okay, now powder. And we all know what brush I'm using. I have nothing to wipe it on, so on the table it goes. Boom. You know what it is. Whoa, that's upside down. And I will be going in with this red shade. I don't have the names. Again, I threw them out because I'm an idiot. And I will pack that into the crease. Then going in with the bright, oh my gosh, bright orange shade. I'll be putting that above it and blending out the red a bit. Going in with the red again, just deepen it. I don't know why lately, but whenever I wear eyeshadow, do you see that crease? It's been happening a lot lately. And it's hard to like cover it. Then going on top of that, I'm going to go in with the only yellow shade in the palette. And I'm going to go above that. Okay. Now I will cut my crease, taking the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye and just go the whole eye. We're doing a full freaking cut crease. Ah, frig, I think I frigged it up. This white shade on it from the Naughty palette. Again, you can just use the James Charles one, but I don't like that one. Going in with the same palette, we're going to take the darkest blue shade here and go on the outer edge. Okay, then I will go in with the dark purple shade at the bottom. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit messy just because we're gonna go in and like blend it all together anyways. So right now, just worry about getting it on there. Same brush. Going in with that pink shade, I think it's called Skip, and put it all in the front. Alright, now I just need to blend everything together. guys, I'm going to take a sparkly eyeliner and go in that part. It is going to look so pretty. Taking my eyeliner, just do a wing. Creasing a little bit, but it be like that sometimes. Okay. Now I am going to take this brush and I'm going to go in with the same red as before and put it on the lower lash line. Go, 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 go. And then the same orange as before. And just go a little bit below that so you kind of like blend it out. And then with a little bit of white, because I like my shimmer, I'm going to put that in the very inner corner. Taking a shimmer, just go in to the corner. I'm just going to do the other eye and pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. This is the look I did. I hope you enjoyed, and leave a comment down below if there's anything specific you guys want to see, and I will see you next week.
기억나?